In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own publication on Substack from start to finish. Whether you're ready to share your thoughts with the world or start a newsletter, I'll guide you through the steps to get you publishing in no time. Let's begin by visiting substack.com, where, if you haven't already signed in, you'll want to do so now. If you're already logged in, you're ahead of the game and can proceed to the next step. Substack is a user-friendly platform, perfect for writers of all levels, aimed at making the process of reaching your audience straightforward and enjoyable. Once you're signed in, it's time to create your new publication. To do this, you'll navigate to your profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll select Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find the option to create a new publication. Click on that and you'll be guided through a simple setup process. Substack does a fantastic job of providing on-screen instructions to assist you with things like naming your publication and determining its focus. Feel free to take your time here and think critically about what you hope to achieve with your publication. With the skeleton of your publication set, it's time to flesh it out by setting up your newsletter. To do this, head back to Settings, and this time click on Website. This area allows you to customize key aspects of your publication, starting with your publication's name and description. These components are crucial as they form the first impression readers will have of your work. Make sure both are clear and reflect your brand or personal style effectively. Once you're satisfied with these details, you'll need to head back to your homepage to begin your first post. Starting your initial post is an exciting step and marks the beginning of your newsletter journey. On the homepage, you'll find the option to create a new post. Clicking this will prompt you to choose the type of post you wish to create. Substack offers various formats to suit your needs, so consider what type of content you'll be sharing with your audience. Once you've selected the style, it's time to start writing. The content is the heart of your publication, so take some time to craft your message carefully. Whether it's informative, entertaining, or a mix of both, focus on connecting with your audience through your words. Remember to proofread your work one last time before publishing. Now go ahead and publish your post to your eager subscribers, knowing your publication is live for the world to see. That's it for today's guide on setting up a Substack publication. I hope this walkthrough has simplified the process for you and given you the confidence to start sharing your voice with a wider audience. Thanks for joining me, and happy writing!